I was studying in Al-Qansa Hifzkhana, age 15/16. There was a middle-aged woman in our hall, an African woman. One day during the practice of prayer acceptance, the woman cried and said, "My daughter is very stubborn. She was asking for something that we all knew was impossible. She was getting old. How many offers were made by our clan boys for her, but she did not agree. She was dark-skinned, very tall and healthy. Such a girl in our clan means very beautiful. But in this Arab, black healthy girls are not beautiful. Arabs prefer white-skinned thin girls. So my daughter wants to be the wife of a beautiful fair-skinned Arab boy." We used to scold her a lot, explaining that if you hope like that, you will not get married in your life. The girl said that you will marry me or Allah will give me. After some days my eldest son proposed from an Arab. We were all very happy, but my daughter refused. Because that Arab man was old, and he had 3 previous wives. My daughter was very angry and made it clear to us. She wants a pious, Arab, beautiful young man with blue eyes to God. For that, we should not be disturbed. Allah will bring the prince of his dreams. We understood that she will never marry again because of her black skin. A beautiful white-skinned Arab is looking for her. We are poor people of low descent, and the Arabs are those rich and high descent. Not all agreed, but blue eyes. Is it crazy again? Arabs have more and more brown eyes, black and brown. Blue is the English. We thought that she didn't really want to get married, so he made all these demands. One day I scolded him a lot. I even raised my hands on him. My daughter tearfully said that within a week she will leave this house with her blue-eyed Arab son-in-law. We were very angry. We were teasing her by saying that the girl has gone mad. The girl has become rude. That one week, my daughter cried a lot while laying out the prayer, praying to her Allah all night long. Exactly 7 days later, a handsome young Arab with blue eyes proposed marriage to her. We were all so happy beyond words. By Allah, if it was permissible for people to prostrate themselves, there would be no shirk. On that day, we would all prostrate to my godly daughter. I am amazed by my daughter's yaqeen, her tawakkul, and her power of supplication. I was asking my daughter on her wedding day what she prayed to Allah for. My daughter said that I used to ask for forgiveness all day and prayed all night expressing my choice. And I was sure that everything is possible with Allah. Today, 8 years, my daughter is living a very happy family. Their children are also very beautiful. Some are white, some are black, and some are in between. But the interesting thing is that all their eyes are blue. We all went into a daze after hearing this story of the lady. The lady was telling the story while crying profusely, and we became extremely emotional. What is the power of Tahajjud and Istegfar at night? In these 2 times, can't understand without doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be part of the dawah. Jazakallah.